7-Eleven, man. Y'all watching PAIRADICE TV, man. Tune in with it, man. Good luck, brother.
PAIRADICE TV, man. We go a long way. And fuck everybody else.
You're now watching PAIRADICE TV.
You already know what it is, man. You are tuned into PAIRADICE TV right here, live at the Highest Slide and Pull Up and Park Custom Car and Bike Show right here. Kenosha, Wisconsin at the Kemper Center, man. If you ain't come, you missed out, man. We got food, we got liquor, we got cars. We're gonna be back here in the spring, man. Most definitely watch out for it. If you're watching this, share it. If you ain't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. This what's up right here, man. Stay in tune.
Literally. Hey. What she look like?
This one, man. Nice. It's real pretty.
He said it's real shit, real deal Holyfield. That's a 1986 Cadillac Fleetwood, little LS swap, nice little cam in it, you know.
Watching PAIRADICE TV in Walker, Wisconsin. Called this a Pasho Killer. Pasho Killer.
Yeah.
Oh, right there.
Okay, let's move up this way a little bit. Okay. All right, we're here, man. We got imports, we got old schools. I try to do a little something different because I always go to car shows and they're boring. You know what I'm saying? So I try to do something different in the area, and a little bit of everything. We got big rims, small rims, old schools.
What's happening, boy? It's your boy Turd G from Kenosha. Shit, got the 1997 Caprice. Stick inside Ron. Sunset candy paint. Got the interior. Got the interior orange and blue. That's my baby right here. Man, you now watching PAIRADICE TV. Shout out to my boy holding the camera. Much love.
Oh, okay. Watching PAIRADICE TV, we out here in Kenosha at the first annual car show out here on the water. Definitely came through, did their thing. Next year we're gonna be bigger and better. Come out, see us at M&K Detailing Service. We'll get your paint right, get your ceramic coated, get you detailed up, and we'll get you out on them streets looking right.
Exciting, man. It's Pudge G from Racine, you know what I'm saying? It's 78 Delta 88, you know what I'm saying? That's how I ride. I got a 79 Buick Regal too. I fucked up the rear end trying to show out, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is, baby. Yeah, love, deuces. PAIRADICE TV, baby, get with it.
Hey man, that's PAIRADICE TV y'all watching, man. Tune in with my mans, dog. I know what it is, man. Car show out here, man. You know, fast shit out here, man. You know, come out here, enjoy yourself, man.
Are you watching PAIRADICE TV? Right here we got a 2011 Camaro SS. Custom painted, custom white body, custom wheels, engine bay. Nothing, everything's custom out on the car. Supercharged. Custom interior. White body, everything handmade, everything handmade. Inside the trunk, we got twin turbos on the back. We got the twin turbos on the back. If you look through here, look. If you look through there, you'll see the side, yeah, the twin turbos on the side. Everything, the whole body on the car is done. I am great. Doing great. Well, we bought it at 2011, and I got invested like 150 in it. But everything good, you know, everything customized, custom T-top on it. We call this a Passion Killer. Passion Killer. Show me something that's better than this. In the business, over 20 years. Over 20 years. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. To the heart. Well, we go way, way back, you know, early 2000s, you know.
Player shorts customizing. Ain't no joke, buddy. We got it made.
No one on the corner have swagger like us. Swagger like us. Swagger like us.
Players Toy Car Show, first annual, shut it down.
Player choice customizing. For best rims on a car, we want number 11.
We were at the old shop. But yeah, we did a couple videos together.
Facebook, you know what I'm saying? Just want to let everybody know, you know what I'm saying? You're tuning in to the hottest station in the land, you know what I'm saying? PAIRADICE TV.
Yeah, buddy.
We're trying to do a super show next year. So this is where we at. Now you're watching PAIRADICE TV.
Remember that car that we did we took it apart? Remember that little project we were doing on that I believe it was
Whip game, PAIRADICE TV, baby. Car prep, ready. We call it ice, you know. So I make a little flip on it. You see how it turns out. And ready to go. something like that? Something like that, blue?
This is what he wanted. Check that out. And that's what he got. Bam.
And we did a green. Outrageous. Yeah, outrageous blue, remember? With the sliding top.
Car's done, ready to go, buff wax, everything, bumpers on. That's all we could do for you guys, you know. Player's choice all day. Watching the whip game. PAIRADICE TV, baby. Take care of everybody.
We did a lot. Hopefully we'll be back, huh? Hopefully we'll be back.
What you doing, man? It's D-Dog, man. Y'all watching PAIRADICE TV. Man, y'all better top in, bro. No bullshit.
Before we wrap this one up, take a look at some of the moments that made this Kenosha Lakefront car show something special. From the custom builds and lifted trucks to the pristine classics that still turn heads decades later. This show brought together a lot of different sides of car culture in one place. And of course, the machine they call the Car Show Killer. A build that definitely people stopping in their tracks all day long. Moments like this are exactly why we love capturing these events. Not just the cars, but the stories behind them and the people who build them. And if you've been watching PAIRADICE TV for a while,
what it be like what's going down, they call me L from the middle down, you know what I'm saying?
Then you already know the connection between Player's Choice and PAIRADICE TV goes all the way back to 2008. Seeing that history continue today is something special. Now, while these photos and drone shots roll, take a moment and drop a comment below and let us know which ride stole the show. Was it one of the classics, the lifted trucks, the custom builds, or the car they call the Car Show Killer? And if you enjoyed this episode, blast that like button right off the map. Help us get 1,000 likes. Don't check out without a thought below. Let us know worldwide if it's fire or not. And stay buckled up. Miles to go before we sleep. Wild builds across Wisconsin and beyond. And if you want to see something completely different, we've got a drifting video on the channel that shows some seriously wild tandem runs and tire smoke. You'll see it on the screen right here. You don't want to miss that one. Thanks for watching PAIRADICE TV. And until next time, stay safe and let positivity be the motivation. From the Brew City to everywhere.